Have you ever wondered what the inside of a cell looks like? If you think about the rooms in our homes, the inside of any animal or plant cell has many similar room-like structures called organelles. Each organelle is a place where specific jobs are done. Plant and animal cells have many of the same organelles, but in some cases, the organelles in cells are different. For example, in plant cells, there are more types of organelles than are found in animal cells. In the slideshow, there are some names and descriptions of organelles commonly found in cells. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It is the largest organelle in the cell and it contains the DNA of the cell. DNA contains all the information for cells to live, perform their functions, and reproduce. Inside the nucleus is another organelle called the nucleolus. The nucleolus is responsible for making ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes throughout the cytoplasm of the cell. There are two types of ER. When ribosomes are attached, it is called rough ER, and smooth ER when there are no ribosomes attached. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is where most protein synthesis occurs in the cell. The function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to synthesize lipids in the cell. The smooth ER also helps in the detoxification of harmful substances in the cell. The Golgi body is the organelle in the cell that is responsible for sorting and correctly shipping the proteins produced in the ER. Just like our postal packages, which should have a correct shipping address, the proteins produced in the ER should be correctly sent to their respective address. It is a very important step in protein synthesis. If the Golgi body makes a mistake in shipping the proteins to the right address, certain functions in the cell may stop. The mitochondria is the cell's powerhouse. This organelle packages the energy from the food you eat into ATP molecules. Every type of cell has a different amount of mitochondria. There are more mitochondria in cells that have to perform lots of work, for example, your leg muscle cells, heart muscle cells, etc. Other cells need less energy to do their work and have less mitochondria. Plant cells have what looks like a very large empty space in the middle. This space is called the vacuole. Don't be fooled, the vacuole contains large amounts of water and stores other important materials such as sugars, ions, and pigments. Lysosomes are created by the Golgi body. These help break down large molecules into smaller pieces that the cell can use. And there you have it, all the parts of the cell put into one cell body, and there are millions of these type of bodies within us and plant cells that all work together to make sure we are working smoothly and that our cells are healthy. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.